Hi friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing and review of AverMedia LGP Lite capture card. Yes, this device is to capture the HDMI content as well as it can help you to stream your videos directly on YouTube and Twitch. The model number is Lite GL310. And here you can see that on the box they have mentioned about the different type of resolution on which the capture card can record the videos, and there is also port diagram, like it has got two HDMI, one is in and one is out. It has audio in, audio out, and other details on the box. And here you can see that this device is manufactured in Taiwan and it has been imported to India, and the price is 15,000 Indian rupees. Alright, so now it's time to quickly unbox the device and show you like what all things are there inside. Alright, now you can see that I have taken out the device and the connecting cable, and we have user manual as well with this box. So here you can see that this is the device. This device is very light and it feels good in hand because it has got very nice texture, that is metallic texture, and it has got big button on the top. And here you can see that we have different ports like HDMI in, out, audio in, out, and this last port is to connect to the PC. And at the back we have some rubberized pad which will help you to stabilize this device on the table. And here you can see that we get a USB cable as well, and this cable will help you to connect this capture card to your PC, laptop, and the recording will happen on your PC or laptop. There is no dedicated SD card on this capture card. Alright, now let me quickly show you like how you can do the initial setup for the capture card, and then I'll tell you how is the performance. So first thing, like you need to connect this USB device or the USB cable into the capture card, and then there are two ports. One is HDMI in and another is HDMI out. So basically the HDMI in port will have the HDMI coming from the source, like it can be from your PC, PlayStation, Xbox, and then HDMI out will go to your monitor. And another, the last one, is the USB port which will go to your PC for the recording. Alright, so now I have turned on the device. Like there is no power, additional power supply which is needed. This will take the power from the USB, and here is the entire setup. You can see that I have connected the PC output to the capture card, and then I have connected the monitor through the capture card, and the recording is done in the PC through USB. Alright, so this is the setup, and then the next step is to download the application for this capture card, and to do that we have to go to the AverMedia website. Just type in AverMedia in Google and it will search for the site, and the site name is evermedia.com. Click on the site and this site will take you to this option. So you have to select this gaming option, because inside this gaming option you have the capture card details. So you have to scroll down, and below you have the AverMedia different type of model for the capture card. So our model is LGP Lite GL310. So click on that and this will open the page for this particular model. And here you can see that we have the details about this card. So if you want to read the details, you can have a look here, and then you have to download the application and driver. So click on downloads option, and once you click on the download option you will get this page, and go to the application and driver. Inside application and driver there are two options like old version and new version. So select the new version, and there is an option called download, and click on that download, and this is around 69 MB size, so it will not take much time. So once the download is completed, just click on that and it will start the extraction and then installation process. So here you can see that it's taking some more time, so I'm fast forwarding the installation process. So it will not take more than 5 minutes to install the entire application and driver. So once it is installed, you can see two icons are created on your desktop. So you have to just open the icon which is called AverMedia, and then you have to go back to your capture card and see the light is glowing. That means everything is connected properly, and then you have to start the recording. So before recording, let me tell you two things, that the monitor on the left is the monitor 1 and the monitor on the right is monitor 2. The monitor on the left will be recorded because I have used that monitor as the primary monitor. If you have used other monitor, then the recording will happen on that particular monitor. So if you want to change the settings, you can change the settings from your graphics card or from your internal driver. And the second thing is like you need to do some settings, and to do that just open the application, go to wizard, and then you can see different options like you have video source, you have the platform, you have the video adjustment, like different sizes of video, like what quality of video you want. So you can do all the settings before you start recording, and then Yes, you have to like press the hotkey. Like hotkey is like by default it's F7. Like when you are in the game, when you want to record, just press F7 and then recording will happen. So you can change that F7. You can make another key as a hotkey. Just have to go to the settings and then change it. Alright, now you can see that I have pressed the F7 button and the recording has started, and you can see that capture card color is glowing as red. That means the capture is in progress. If it is still glowing as blue, that means like it's not recording. So you make sure that when you press hotkey, it should change the color to red. And you can see that there is no lag in the game, like while recording also, like there's no lag, so everything is fine. So it will not impact your gameplay, like if you are like recording through capture card and the HDMI is connected to your PC to the monitor, so there will be no effect. It will be as good as it was before without connecting the capture card. Now I've pressed the F7 and this recording has stopped, so the color is changed to blue. And again, if I press that button on the capture card, that will change the color to red. That means the recording has started. You don't have to press any key on the keyboard. You just have to press that big key which is on the capture card, that circular key, and it will start recording. So that's really cool feature that you don't have to search for what is your hotkey. You just have to press that button and it's done. Alright, now it's time to show you like how is the recording. So there are two recordings. The first recording which was done using the hotkey, and the second recording which was done using the capture card button. So let me open the first file, and here you can see that the recording is very smooth. It's at 1080p, and I don't see any kind of pixelation or any kind of thing, so everything looks good. And the file size is also not that big, like it's just like 24 or 25 MB for this the 30 seconds. So I think for large capture, like for longer duration, it will not be a huge file, and definitely the quality is not impacted. And here you can note one thing, that whenever you stop the capture and then again start the capture, you will get different files. Like it will split the file into multiple things. Like it will not pause the recording, it will stop the recording, and again it will start a new file, and then it will record in that file. Alright, so this was about capture. Now let's go to the streaming feature of this capture card. Like it has got very good streaming feature. Like you just click that button and the streaming will start. So let me show you how you do that. You just have to click the same icon, that is AverMedia RE Central, and go to stream. So here you can see that login would be crossed out, means we have not logged in. And before logging in, just make sure that all settings are right, and then go to the video source and your video settings. You just make sure that everything is as per the capture card what we have done, like how the video recording was done. You make sure that what kind of quality, how the hotkeys are set, everything you check, and then click on ready. Once you are ready, then you have to log in. So how do you log in? It will ask like what streaming service you want to use, YouTube Live, Twitch, whichever you want. Just click on get authorization. So I'll just put my user ID and then password, and there will be some second authentication. So I just have to put that second authentication key, and then click done, then selected my channel, and then it's done. Actually, I'll change this channel. This I'll be streaming through Games Dragon. That is another channel of mine. So let me again, I'll just allow, and again I will try to log in. I'll skip that video because that's the same process. I have to put the same user ID and password. Everything will be done in the similar way. And then once we are done, we just have to open the game. Let me play NFS, and then I'll show you like how is the streaming quality of this AverMedia capture card. Alright, so once I press the hotkey, then only the streaming will happen. So now on the right hand side, you can see that I have opened the Games Dragon YouTube channel page from which I'm going to stream, and on the left hand side is the NFS rival. What I'll do, I'll view that channel through my tech virus channel, and then I can see that it is really streaming or not. Now I've clicked on F4, what was the hotkey, and then it will ask for the title of the stream. Like whenever the video is getting streamed, the YouTube will ask like what name you want to give for that stream. So I'll just give Games Dragon NFS Rival, and then I'll click save. So once I click that button, the streaming will start. On the left hand side, you can see the capture card, the light is flashing. That means the streaming is in progress. And now let me play something. So still the video has not come up, so there is some kind of lag. Like when you play, it takes some like 15 seconds, 15-second lag. Yes. Alright, now on the right hand side you can see that game is being streamed, and the live button is also glowing. So let me zoom the video and show you that live. Yes, I'm playing live now, and this, yeah, definitely 15 seconds of lag which I played just now. It is streaming now here on the right hand side, and the quality wise I'll tell you it's not that great, because I can see lots of pixelation, but there's no hang. Like this video is smooth, but maybe that can happen because of my internet speed. The upload speed is really bad for me. It's like only 1 Mbps. The download speed is good, like 40 Mbps. So that might be one of the issue. Because of that, like the video quality is not coming up that great. But yes, it's manageable. Like when you're playing or when you're streaming at 720p, the quality will improve. Alright friends, so this was my complete review for AverMedia LGP Lite GL310 Capture and its streaming card. I hope you liked it. If you have any question regarding this card, please write in the comments below. I'll definitely get back to each and every one as soon as possible. And also friends, I'm really excited about the subscriber count on my channel. It's almost about 50,000, and as soon as it reaches 50,000, I'll definitely come up with a video where I'll thank everyone, and then I'll be distributing the gifts and goodies. So till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.